happiness, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Going to buy Serena. Welcome to Buy Serena. And ang ganda. Nakarelax naman. We're just very thankful kasi yung aming 25 years anniversary kalabas kami ng pamilya. So that we did it this way. It's really, really memorable and talagang we're very thankful. Yes. Service deluxe from Buy Serena. Yes. There you go. Welcome to Buy Serena. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. AC sa labas pa lang. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan yung nararamdaman ko sa labas pa lang, may AC nang nararamdaman. Okay. Okay. Ito yung toilet. Ah, okay. This is, okay, that's why it's connected sa toilet. Okay. Oh, yeah. Good. Good, kuya. So, ang nagko-connect sa kanya is the toilet. Yeah. Ito yung family suites. Okay. I think we're good here. Yeah. Okay tayo. Oo, kasi kita rin natin ang swimming pool. Oh. There you go. Okay, magbihis na. Magbihis na. Yeah, para ma-freshen up tayo. Okay. I think we're good. We're good. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pwede na siguro ihatid yung gamit namin.
This is the other side. of the family houses. Nandun kami. Tapos dito kami ngayon. Puntahan namin tong area na to. Can you hear those sounds? Wow. Bird sounds. Ang galing. Parang feeling bahay na, feeling province life talaga. This is the best place to stay. Look, oh. May bakawan pa rin dyan, oh. Itong cute, oh. I think this one is one room lang to, Daddy. One room. Ganda. Oo. Yeah. Yan, oh. Oh, yeah. Oo. Okay ako basta't aircon ang tulugan.
May tabing dagat. Bye, bye, son. Serena, bye, bye. Next time again. Happy kayo sa first night natin, ano? The best. For more, for more.